Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to merge these two picture to become in a one frame or in the one picture. And it is very easy and simple how to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here guys, I will use this Gemini AI to create that picture, and don't forget to do the login first with your email, and here I will access it with my PC. And don't worry, if you would like to make that picture, it is enough to keep it the version in 2.5 flash, or you don't have to upgrade it into the pro version. And the next step is you can start to upload a picture from the gallery or the device. For example, I will choose this one and also this one. And after that, I will put the prompt here. Well, basically in this prompt, you can add the activity that describe of this that describing this picture. And for example, a man is playing a piano and also a beautiful angel is playing a harp. And the main thing here that you need to put is that both together in one photo, or it means that this picture will be merged into one setting or in one photo. And also you can put the detail like the position of this angel will be sitting on the big root of a wood and also behind this man. And also you can add the setting like the tranquil natural forest environment at dusk with the soft golden evening light filtering through the foliage. And after that you can put or add the style or the look like the cinematic or cartoon, and also the emotional frame to add more the atmosphere of the picture that you would like to present. And after that you can continue to click submit here and kindly wait for the process. And here I will show you the result. For example, so this is the picture that has been generated by this Gemini AI. Then you can simply download it. And as you can see that this picture already present every single thing that we have put in the prompt before. And if you have any feedback or request about the prompt and also the platform that can do the same as good as this Gemini AI, please don't worry guys to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. And this is the video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.